Hello everyone, my name is Akansha Viswakarma. So today I am going to describe my all CSS properties. So firstly, I will show you my HTML project without CSS apply. So this is my HTML only version. It's look very plain, no colors and no spacing or layout yet. So and now you can see here this is my styled version after applying CSS. You can see how the colors layout and design make it more attractive and professional. So I will describe all the HTML and CSS property. Okay, so this is a universal property. It's applying all the element. And next, body tag. I use the font family for font style change, and I used a line height for text between lines height, and color for adding text color, and overflow X hidden for contain the overflow it is hiding, and I use their background color for adding background colors, and I use their position fixed. It means it's it's fixed our content, and width I gave here for with percentage for all desktop size, width and padding I used here for inside the space of padding 5 pixel, and display flags for using make a display flexible, and align items center using for con- uh, items alignment the horizontal line, and I used a justify content for content alignment the vertical. I used here gap for make make some space between the element, and I used here margin left margin right for space contained, and box outside space left and right, and here I used a border for making box border with value and colors, and border radius for making border corner, and font size used for text size increase and decrease, and I used here a pseudo class hover for background color green. I used here if I will click that anchor tag link, so it will show green color background, and color text color is showing white. Then I used a text align it will show our text center start and end whatever we will give value. Then here I used mean height and mean width for showing only content width and height, and I used here background image property for adding background image, and background size cover for background image of covering. Then I used here Same things you can see here. I used here list style type property is value is square. It's making our UL list is square type, not bullet point. Mostly I give here same value. So here I used box shadow for making shadow outside the behind of box. Okay, so I use their flex basis with number values. So flex basis sets the initial size of a flex item before free space is distributed. And I use their transform for our card to showing up horizontal and vertical like X and Y, Z, up and down. And I used here object fit cover. It use for our card image object fit like portrait type. It's covered. And I used here next cursor pointer. So if we will use cursor pointer to it will show hand hand icons. Mostly I use the same properties. So here I used flex direction. Flex direction it will arrange our items column and row wise. And I use the font weight. It will show our font, yeah, text size bold, and it is increase our text size. And as you did transition property border color 0.3 as it means it will show our content transaction. You can see here I use the same things. Display grid it will show our display creates a block level grid container. Okay, now I'll show you demo how it is working. Okay, so firstly I remove this list style type square and something I recommend CSS property. So I will show you demo. I remove here list type, that's why it is showing bullet point, and I have removed here display flags and grid, so it is showing like that. And I used here text align, so it is showing like this. You can see here. Now I will show you my website. See, I again include the CSS property. Now it is showing perfect. Like you can see here grades table. So that's all about CSS properties. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.